Hello, it's Marek from MDrives. Welcome to another video. So today I've got another little modification to my M2. I'm going to be changing the front indicator lights because these are non-LED ones and they are awfully orange. Something I don't like. It bothers me on the video, it bothers me in the photos, so I thought I'm going to find a solution. I don't really want to go with the LEDs because that's not what this car came with from the factory, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna stick to the normal bulbs. However, I'm going to go with something which will look much better. So I started researching and I found that Osram and Bosch, they both doing something called Magic Effect bulbs. So basically they put some kind of coating on the bulb so it reflects part of the light and makes it a bit more bluish, so that should go well with my M2. So I thought, why not, let's buy it, let's fit it, and it can't be any worse than it is anyway. So I'm going to show you some shots of how they look now, and then we get to the fitting, and in the end I'm going to do some before and after shots and maybe compare one side to another. So let's get to it. So first I need to turn my wheels, so I have to start the engine to get access to the flap, which will enable me to change the bulb, so that's always something I enjoy. So the engine is running, we can turn the wheel to gain some access. As you can see, with the wheels turned, I've got the access to that flap over there. Yep, so this is the flap you use to change the indicator bulb. Right, okay, so in order to open it, you just squeeze that. Then it opens. Ooh, that's a lot of dirt. So we gain the access, and as you can see, there is this rear cap. You have to twist to open it and take the bulb out. I'm going to try to do it now. So as you can see, voila, this is the bulb. Right, so as you can see, there is a big difference, well, at least while they're still in the package. So let me unpack them, compare them, and then let's fit in the first one. So yeah, definitely there is a difference. Hopefully it will reflect the blue from the paint, I don't know. They are reflecting a lot of more light, so you can't see, they don't look as orange. So we'll see how they look while they are inside the front headlight. Hey ho, success, it's working. Okay, so as you can see, they look so much better. There's almost no orange hue in there. It looks pretty silver to me, not blue but silver, which actually looks perfect. Let's check the other side. Yeah, you see that's a massive difference. That just looks nasty to me. Clearly an orange bulb in there, as you can see. Moving to this one, yeah, you can probably see the bit at the back of the bulb, but yeah, it looks so much better, so much better. closer. So that's your side view, and that's your side view on this one. So much better. So what I've actually done is I lifted car a bit, so as you can see the wheel is still on the floor. I've just lifted it about 3 inches just to give me slightly more space over there, because I had trouble with fitting it back in. There wasn't enough space, there wasn't enough wiggle room for my hand. I've got big hands, so yeah, that made it much easier. So all cleaned, so it's ready to go back in there. Okay, how to push it back? Actually, right, so this does go down. Okay, so yeah, it's all done. Let's do the other side now. So yeah. Okay, and bang, we've got a new bulb. Let's put it back in. Now, just need to find the right angle. Finished. I think it's so much better. Definitely. Yeah, that looks perfect. And on this side, beautiful. So, mission accomplished, full success. I absolutely love it. I know it's a small detail, but I think every detail matters if this is something you're precious about. I think it looks much better. It might be just my OCD, but I think it looks so much better. You know, it looks cleaner, slightly more modern maybe. Anyway, I really like it. It costed me about £13, so absolute steal. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you very shortly the next one. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to support my work, and I see you again very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, do widzenia. And make sure you watched my latest videos from Scotland.